Productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about doing what matters. A study by the National Association of Professional Organizers found that disorganization leads to financial losses equivalent to 10% of a manager's salary. But here's the kicker. The most organized people aren't born that way. They've mastered a set of habits that transform chaos into clarity, and today, we're pulling back the curtain on their secrets. These aren't just tips. They're the foundational practices that separate the overwhelmed from the overachievers. And the best part? They're accessible to everyone, regardless of your current organizational skills. So, are you ready to unlock the power of extreme productivity and reclaim control of your time and space? Let's dive into the 5 things organized people do that you can start implementing today. Being organized isn't about perfection. It's about creating systems that make life flow effortlessly. Think of it like this. Every decision you make, every misplaced item, every moment spent searching for something is a tiny withdrawal from your mental energy bank. Organized people, they've hacked this system. They've learned how to minimize those withdrawals and maximize their focus on what truly matters. In this video, we're diving into the habits that make organized individuals so effective, not just in their homes, but in their minds and lives. These aren't rigid rules or impossible routines. They're practical, intentional habits that anyone can adopt to simplify life, reclaim time, and unlock mental clarity. Let's explore how these small shifts can lead to big transformations. Organized people aren't just productive, they're purposeful. The cornerstone of their efficiency lies in setting clear, intentional goals. This isn't about creating a laundry list of tasks. It's about defining a North Star for your efforts. Studies show that individuals who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. But organized people take this a step further. They break down their objectives into actionable steps, creating a roadmap for success. This practice isn't just about work goals. It extends to personal aspirations, health targets, and even daily routines. By setting intentions for various aspects of life, organized individuals create a framework for decision-making that simplifies their day-to-day choices. The key is specificity. Vague goals like get healthier are replaced with concrete objectives such as exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. This clarity eliminates ambiguity and provides a clear metric for success. Moreover, organized people regularly review and adjust their goals. They understand that flexibility is crucial in our fast-paced world. This adaptive approach allows them to stay focused on what matters most, even as circumstances change. By adopting this goal-setting mindset, you're not just organizing your tasks, you're organizing your life's direction. It's about creating a personal mission statement that guides your actions and decisions. Remember, the aim isn't perfection, but progress. Start small. Set one clear goal for tomorrow. As you build this habit, you'll find your days becoming more focused, your decisions more aligned with your values, and your progress more tangible. This is the first step towards not just doing more, but doing what truly matters. Your journey towards a simpler, more intentional life is unique, and we're honored to be part of it. If our videos resonate with you, consider subscribing. Your support fuels our mission to spread the wisdom of minimalism and help others find clarity in a cluttered world. Together, we can inspire positive change, one mindful step at a time. Organized people don't just make lists, they craft them with intention. This isn't about scribbling down every task that comes to mind. It's about creating a focused roadmap for productivity. Studies show that the act of writing things down can increase memory recall by 23%. But organized individuals take this a step further. They prioritize their lists, focusing on high-impact tasks that align with their goals. The key lies in the 1-3-5 rule. 1 big task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks per day. This approach ensures a balance between ambition and achievability, preventing the overwhelm that comes with an endless to-do list. Moreover, these lists aren't static. Organized people review and adjust them regularly, adapting to changing priorities and unexpected challenges. This flexibility allows for a dynamic approach to productivity that bends but doesn't break under pressure. Digital tools have revolutionized list-making, offering features like reminders and cross-platform synchronization. However, many organized individuals still swear by the tactile satisfaction of pen and paper. The method matters less than the mindset behind it. Perhaps most importantly, organized people use their lists as a tool for mindfulness. Each item represents a commitment to themselves or others. By consciously deciding what makes it onto the list, they're practicing intentional living and wise thinking. Remember, the goal isn't to create the perfect list, but to develop a system that works for you. Start by identifying your 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. As you build this habit, you'll find your days becoming more structured, your goals more attainable, and your mind clearer. This is the power of mindful list making, a cornerstone habit of highly organized individuals. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are the norm. The average person checks their phone 96 times a day, equating to once every 10 minutes. This constant interruption is the enemy of productivity. Enter time blocking, a powerful technique used by organized individuals to reclaim their focus and amplify their efficiency. Time blocking isn't just about scheduling. It's about creating protected spaces for deep work. By assigning specific time slots to tasks, organized people transform their day from a reactive scramble into a proactive flow. The beauty of time blocking lies in its flexibility. It can be adapted to any lifestyle or work pattern. Some prefer to block out entire days for specific projects, while others divide their day into smaller chunks for varied tasks. The key is consistency and respect for the blocks you create. One of the most significant benefits of time blocking is its ability to combat the myth of multitasking. Studies show that switching between tasks can reduce productivity by up to 40%. By dedicating focused time to single tasks, time blocking leverages our brain's natural ability to concentrate deeply. Moreover, time blocking acts as a powerful tool for setting boundaries. It allows you to allocate time for self-care, personal development, and relationships, areas often neglected in the pursuit of productivity. This holistic approach ensures that being organized doesn't come at the cost of well-being. Implementing time blocking doesn't require complex tools. A simple calendar or even a notebook can suffice. The power lies not in the tool, but in the mindset shift it creates. It transforms time from an abstract concept into a tangible resource that can be intentionally allocated. As you adopt time blocking, remember that it's a skill that improves with practice. Start small, perhaps by blocking out just 1 hour a day for your most important task. As you experience the focus and clarity it brings, you'll naturally want to expand the practice. Time blocking is more than a productivity hack. It's a way of taking control of your life's direction. It ensures that your time aligns with your priorities, bringing a sense of purpose and accomplishment to each day. This is the power of intentional living, a cornerstone of the organized mind. In our culture of constant productivity, taking breaks often feels counterintuitive. Yet, organized people understand that regular pauses are not just beneficial. They're essential for peak performance and mental clarity. Studies show that the human brain can only maintain focused attention for about 90 minutes before it needs a break. Ignoring this natural rhythm leads to diminishing returns, increased errors, and eventual burnout. Organized individuals leverage this knowledge to their advantage. The concept of strategic breaks goes beyond simply stepping away from work. It's about intentional rejuvenation. Some opt for the Pomodoro technique, working in focused 25-minute bursts followed by short breaks. Others prefer longer work sessions with more substantial rest periods. These breaks aren't about mindless scrolling or catching up on emails. Instead, they're opportunities for physical movement, mindfulness practices, or brief moments of creativity. A quick walk, a few minutes of meditation, or even a short nap can reset the mind and boost productivity. Moreover, organized people view breaks as investments in long-term sustainability. By preventing burnout, they maintain consistent productivity over time, rather than falling into cycles of overwork and recovery. The key is to make breaks a non-negotiable part of your routine. Schedule them like you would any important task. This not only ensures you take them, but also reduces the guilt often associated with stepping away from work. Remember, the goal isn't to work longer. It's to work smarter. By incorporating strategic breaks, you're not just organizing your time. You're optimizing your mental and physical resources. Start small, perhaps with a 5-minute break every hour. As you experience the benefits of increased focus and creativity, you'll naturally want to refine and expand this practice. This approach to work and rest isn't just about productivity. It's about creating a sustainable, balanced lifestyle. It's a cornerstone of the minimalist mindset, focusing on quality over quantity in how we spend our most precious resource, our time and energy. In our consumer-driven society, clutter has become the norm. The average American home contains over 300,000 items, yet we typically use only 20% of what we own. This excess doesn't just occupy physical space. It clutters our minds, draining our energy and focus. Organized people understand that decluttering is more than tidying up. It's a mindset shift. They practice the art of intentional possession, regularly assessing what truly adds value to their lives. This isn't about achieving a stark, minimalist aesthetic. It's about creating an environment that supports clarity and purpose. The benefits of decluttering extend far beyond a tidy space. Studies show that a clutter-free environment can reduce stress levels by up to 40%. It improves focus, enhances creativity, and even boosts productivity. In essence, decluttering your physical space declutters your mind. Organized individuals approach decluttering systematically. They often use methods like the KonMari technique or the 4-box method to make decisions about their possessions. But regardless of the specific approach, the key is consistency. Regular decluttering sessions prevent the buildup of unnecessary items. Moreover, this habit extends beyond physical possessions. Organized people apply the same principles to digital clutter, regularly cleaning out inboxes, files, and apps. They understand that a streamlined digital environment is just as crucial as a tidy physical space in our increasingly digital world. Perhaps most importantly, decluttering aligns with the principles of sustainable living. By consuming less and being more intentional about purchases, organized individuals reduce their environmental impact. They often embrace practices like the one in, one out rule to maintain equilibrium in their possessions. Remember, decluttering is a skill that improves with practice. Start small, perhaps with a single drawer or digital folder. As you experience the mental clarity and focus it brings, you'll naturally want to expand the practice. This isn't about achieving perfection. It's about creating a space that supports your goals and values. By embracing decluttering, you're not just organizing your space. You're simplifying your life, reducing stress, and creating room for what truly matters. It's a powerful tool in the pursuit of a more intentional, focused, and fulfilling life. As we've explored, the habits of organized people aren't about perfection. They're about intention. From goal setting to mindful list making, time blocking to strategic breaks, and the power of decluttering, these practices offer a roadmap to a more focused, purposeful life. Remember, organization isn't a destination. It's a journey. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate the progress you make. Each step towards organization is a step towards reclaiming your time, energy, and focus. We'd love to hear which of these habits resonates most with you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, consider exploring our other content on minimalism and intentional living. Together, we can cultivate a life of simplicity and purpose.